Today we are going to learn about the screen statement from GW Basic Graphics. In GW Basic, we can have different graphic modes that work with various screens. There are 13 screen graphic modes in GW Basic with different graphics resolution, text resolution, number of colors, and number of video pages. The screen statement is commonly used to select a screen mode appropriate for a particular display hardware configuration. For example, if we say IBM monochrome display and printer adapter PDMA made by International Business Machines, on that machine we can use only text mode and with screen 0. Syntax of the screen statement is very simple. You have to write screen with mode, where mode is a numerical value 0, 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each screen mode may not work on all computers because it depends upon the display card and monitor's type. There are different screen types and graphic modes. Let's learn what are these. Screen mode 0 is default mode. It is only text-based and black and white. Screen mode 1 activates medium resolution graphic mode. Graphics up to 320 into 200 pixels can be displayed on the screen. Screen mode 2 activates high resolution graphics mode. Graphics of resolution 640 into 200 pixels can be displayed. It also needs a good quality monitor. For example, CGA color graphic adapter, EGA enhanced graphic adapter, and VGA video graphic adapter. Screen mode 7, 8, 9, 10 are also used to draw medium and high resolution graphics. All of these support graphics and good quality resolution. Let's learn some of the screen modes with description. Here 0 is text mode, 80 columns and 25 rows or 40 columns with 25 rows of characters. No graphics but 16 colors from 0 to 15. Screen 1 is 320 into 200 pixels. 4 colors can be used. 0 to 3, 0, 1 to 3 are selected from the palettes, even or odd. Screen 2 is 640 into 200 pixels and it uses only 2 colors, black and white. Screen 7 is high resolution graphic, 320 into 200 pixels, 16 colors plus video pages are also available. Screen 8 is 640 into 200, 16 colors but no video pages. Screen 9 is 640 into 350 pixels, 16 colors plus video pages, and screen 10 is 640 into 350 pixels, 2 colors only, black and white. Now learn how can you switch between different screens. When you open PC Basic or GW Basic, the default screen is screen number 0, low resolution graphic mode, or you can say text mode. When we want to go to screen number 1, medium resolution graphic mode, you have to write the syntax screen space 1. It will switch you to the screen number 1, which is low resolution. You can see there is a difference between the number of pixels, that way the screen is not very clear. Now let's move on to screen number 2. It's a high resolution graphics mode. You can see a clearer picture of the screen. Let's move on to screen number 7. It's also a high resolution. Screen 8. Don't make spelling mistakes, otherwise you won't go there. Screen 8 is more high resolution graphics than screen number 7. Let's move on to screen number 9. Okay, it's more high resolution than screen number 8. Let's move on to screen number 10. My notebook doesn't support screen number 10. That's why we got an error, illegal function call. I hope you learned how to switch between different screens.